First, open the package and check the contents. Install the lock body, single tongue. Fix 2 lock screws. When installing the front panel, turn the pins in the link pull hole according to the door opening direction and the type of the lock body. Double tongue lock body, left opening L. Single tongue lock body S. Double tongue lock body, right opening R. Install the outer panel. First, fix the 2 machine meters to the screw holes. Then, fix the stud to the machine meter. Pass the data cable through the hollow link pull. Pass the worn data cable and the link pull through the lock body square pull hole. Note that the stud also needs to pass through the stud hole of the lock body. When installing the inner panel, first pass the data cable through the link pull hole of the rear panel. Insert the data cable into the backplane power interface. Arrange the cables along the edges. Fix the outer and inner panel screws. Install the battery box for 3A batteries. Plug in the power cord. Insert the battery box along the slot. Install the bottom cover of the inner panel. Text function.